You've probably seen these little seeds everywhere. They were once prized by ancient Aztec and Mayan warriors for stamina, and now you hear them called a superfood. But what if the secret to better heart health, smoother digestion, and even managing your weight could be as simple as adding a tablespoon of seeds to your day? It sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, the science is there to back it up, and the results people are seeing are pretty amazing. Stick around because we're going to break down exactly what makes these tiny seeds so powerful and how they actually work inside your body. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to use them to feel your best. Let's be real. In a world full of health foods that don't always live up to the hype, chia seeds are the real deal. They aren't just some trend you see on Instagram. They are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats that can seriously impact your well-being. We're talking about benefits you can actually feel, from having more energy to just feeling better in your gut. So, let's get into the first and maybe one of the most important benefits of these incredible seeds. Here's the problem. Heart disease is still a silent and leading threat for millions. Things like high blood pressure, stubborn bad LDL cholesterol, and high triglycerides are like ticking time bombs that a lot of people don't even know they have until it's too late. We're always told to make huge lifestyle changes, but what if a small one could make a big difference? This is where chia seeds come in. They are one of the richest plant sources of a type of omega-3 fatty acid called ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. And your heart loves this stuff. Studies have found that regularly eating chia seeds can lead to a noticeable drop in LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and overall blood pressure, all major risk factors for heart disease. So how does it work? Those ALA omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which helps calm inflammation in your blood vessels. The fiber content is also a huge player. The soluble fiber in chia seeds can actually help trap some cholesterol in your digestive system and get it out of your body before it clogs your arteries. Think of it like a natural cleaning crew for your cardiovascular system. Research has shown that adding chia seeds to your diet can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making them a simple way to protect one of your most vital organs. Let's be honest, nobody likes talking about bloating, gas, or constipation, but living with them is so much worse. An unhappy gut can ruin your day, drain your energy, and just tank your mood. So many people reach for harsh laxatives, but the answer might already be in your kitchen. The solution is the incredible amount of fiber in chia seeds. A single 1 ounce serving, which is about 2 tablespoons, has around 10 to 11 grams of fiber. That's almost a third of what you need for the whole day. But it's the kind of fiber that's really special here. Most of it is soluble fiber. Here's what that means. When you mix chia seeds with water, you see them turn into a gel. The same thing happens in your stomach when you eat them. This gel adds bulk to your stool, which makes it softer and easier to pass, directly helping with constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, which is basically food for the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut is linked to everything from a stronger immune system and better mental health, to even helping with weight management. So, when you support your gut bacteria, you're supporting your whole body. If you're finding this helpful and you're ready to improve your gut health and feel lighter, do me a quick favor and hit that like button right now. It really helps the channel reach more people who could use this information. The struggle with weight management is usually a struggle with hunger and cravings. You eat a good meal, and then an hour later, you're looking for a snack. That cycle of hunger and energy crashes, makes it really hard to maintain a healthy weight. Chia seeds offer a powerful natural solution to this by helping you feel full and satisfied, a feeling called satiety. That gel-forming fiber we just talked about becomes your best friend here. The mix of high fiber and quality plant-based protein in chia seeds slows down how fast you digest your food. That gel literally expands in your stomach, making you feel fuller for a lot longer. Studies have found that participants who ate chia seeds daily reported a big drop in their appetite. This isn't just a feeling. It directly impacts how many calories you eat. When you feel full, you're just not as likely to reach for those sugary snacks between meals. On top of that, by slowing down food absorption, chia seeds help keep your blood sugar levels stable. This prevents the sharp spikes and crashes that trigger intense cravings and tell your body to store fat. It's a double win for weight management. They keep you full and your blood sugar steady, creating the perfect environment for your body to function at its best. When we think about bone health, our minds usually go straight to milk and dairy. But you might be surprised to learn that chia seeds are absolutely loaded with calcium, making them a fantastic choice for maintaining a strong skeleton, especially for anyone who is lactose intolerant or eats a plant-based diet. The issue is that our bone density can decline as we get older, which can lead to conditions like osteoporosis. To fight this, our bodies need a steady supply of certain minerals, and that's where the rich mineral profile of chia seeds comes in. They are a powerhouse of bone-building nutrients. They are packed with calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which are critical for bone structure. Magnesium is especially important as it helps with hundreds of processes in the body, including those for healthy bones and muscles. Phosphorus is another key mineral for keeping your bones dense and strong. By giving you this trifecta of minerals, chia seeds contribute directly to keeping your bones healthy and resilient for years to come. Okay, so you're sold on the benefits, but now you might be wondering, how do I actually eat these things? The best part about chia seeds, besides their health benefits, is how versatile they are. They have a really mild, nutty flavor, so you can add them to almost anything without changing the taste. Here are some of the easiest ways to get them into your diet. First up, the classic chia pudding. This is probably the most popular way to eat them. Just mix a few tablespoons of chia seeds with a cup of milk. Any kind works, like almond or coconut. Add a little bit of sweetener like maple syrup and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. The seeds will create a thick, creamy pudding you can top with fruit or nuts for a great breakfast. Next, throw them in smoothies. Toss a tablespoon of chia seeds into your blender with your favorite smoothie ingredients. They'll add a boost of fiber and protein and will make your smoothie thicker and richer. You can also just sprinkle them on pretty much anything. Add a spoonful to your morning oatmeal, on top of yogurt, or even over a salad to add a little crunch. For a simple hydration and fiber boost, make chia water. Just stir a tablespoon of seeds into a glass of water, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets that gel consistency, and drink it. You can squeeze in some lemon or lime for extra flavor. One quick but important tip, because chia seeds soak up so much water, it's a good idea to drink a little more water than usual when you start eating them, just to help with digestion. A good starting serving size is about 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. So, it turns out these tiny seeds really do pack an incredible nutritional punch. They help protect your heart by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. They can transform your digestion with all that fiber. They can be your secret weapon for weight management, and they help build stronger bones. The science is there, and the benefits are compelling. The best part is how easy it is to start. You don't need to completely change your diet. You just need a spoon and a bag of chia seeds. Adding just 1 or 2 tablespoons a day can put you on a path to better health, more energy, and a body that's working at its best. If you enjoyed this and want more science-backed tips to transform your health, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. For your next step, check out the video on your screen right now that details another powerful superfood you should know about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.